YouTube, welcome to a new video. I'm Philip Jacob and you're watching Metal Beings. On today's video, we're going to see the all-new Toyota Urban Cruiser. So let me start off with the engine characteristics. It comes with a Case Series engine which is a 1.5 liter. It produces 104.72 PS at 6000 RPM and 138 Newton meters of torque at 4400 RPM. You have a manual transmission and you also get an automatic transmission. The manual transmission gets 5 gears, whereas the automatic gets 4 gears. And when you see the mileage numbers, the manual transmission gives you 17.03 kilometers per liter and the automatic gives you a kilometer more, which is 18.76 kilometers per liter. So this is the all new Toyota Urban Cruiser and it is the youngest and the smallest SUV from Toyota. So let's go through the exterior characteristics of this car. You get dual LED headlamps and also coupled to that you also get a LED fog lamp. And if you see in the front, you have this beautiful Toyota logo with a twin slat grille in the front. You have a SUV-ish look for this and you also get a skid plate underneath. A very aggressive looking front. So while checking the side profile, you have a perfect SUV design in this car. And when you come close, you have 16-inch alloy wheels. The entry level would get the steel rims, whereas the mid and the top end would be getting the alloy wheels, which is 16-inch on the whole. It has a profile of 215/60 R16. And when you're coming to the side, you have the exterior mirrors with the indicators incorporated into them. They have the body color on top and the black color in the bottom. And you have chrome on the handles and also on the lining of the window. A perfect SUV looking structure. And while talking about the suspension system, the front you get McPherson strut with coil springs and at the rear you get torsion beam with coil springs. And as per braking, you have disc brakes in the front and drum brakes at the rear, which are really effective. So while checking out the rear, the highlight over here is the daytime running LEDs at the back. And you have a huge logo in the middle which says Urban Cruiser just below the Toyota logo. And even at the rear, it gives a very good SUV stance. So let's open the boot and check it out. You have a huge boot space of 328 liters and it's not just huge, it has a big opening also, which makes it very practical for usage. And when you're seeing inside, you have hooks in the sides and also you also get a 12-volt charging point socket with a light lit for it. So let's say you want to have some cooler boxes, and for practicality, this boot is really very helpful. And to also increase on the benefit, you can also fold down the seats in 60 and 40 split. So let's say if you still want to make 2 people sit at the back, you can make them sit over here and this can be folded down and you can get the extra space. So right now we are seated inside the Toyota Urban Cruiser and as you can notice, you get a 3-spoke steering wheel. On the left hand side, you have the controls for your media and on the right hand side, you have the control for your cruise control and also the controls for your mobile phone. And while checking the instrument cluster, you have a nice squarish looking design. The left hand side with a tachometer and the right hand side with a speedometer, and in the middle you have a digital meter also, which gives you various other information. Impressive part over here is that you can change the color around it. So right now it has yellow. You can change 5 colors. So depending on your mood, you can change as you wish. And when we are coming to the center, you have a 17.78 centimeter touchscreen system. So this system is also coupled wherein you can have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto also, which is the latest in the segment. So you have the air conditioning out here with piano black outlining around them. And while going down, you have the controls for your air conditioning, which is fully automatic. And going down, you have a 12-volt charging point and also a USB and aux input on the other side. You have the gear shifter for your 4-speed automatic transmission. You also get the manual, which, as I told before, which would be a 5-speed. And going down, again for practicality, you have 2 cup holders, a manual handbrake, and a handrest which can be adjusted. And when you consider latest tech, this car is equipped with brake energy regeneration, automatic engine start-stop function, torque assist, and even auto hold function. You also get a electrochromatic rear view mirror. So this helps in avoiding glare from the rear vehicles which are giving high beam for you. So it increases your convenience when you drive at night. And while checking the dashboard, you have premium feeling fibers incorporated into them with a nice touch of the grey finishing on it also, which continues even to the doors. Speakers, you have totally 4 speakers on all individual doors, also with tweeters on them. So right now I'm seated at the rear of the all-new Toyota Urban Cruiser, and as you can notice, I have ample amount of headroom and legroom also in this car. And for practicality, at the rear, I have a handrest which has cup holders in them, and also dual tone interiors which give a very good look. And as you can notice, the doors, the same trim from the dashboard has been continued to the rear doors also. All in all, a very pleasant space to sit at the back. So now, if you want to ask me why a Toyota, then these are the list of things which you need to keep in your mind. You have standard offering of 3 years, 1 lakh kilometers of unmatched warranty. You have a proper value for money, prepaid service maintenance packages available, and convenience of the apps through which you can make your necessary work very easy. Again, another reason why you have to choose a Toyota is because you have 290 sales outlets, 297 service centers, and 237 city coverage. You will never ever have trouble when you're owning a Toyota. So that's it from me on the all-new Toyota Urban Cruiser, which is a wonderful car. Hope you like the review. If you want to see the car, please visit Viva Toyota, which is placed in Mysore Road. They have one among the best showrooms with all the facilities available. In fact, they are one of the first dealers to get ISO certified. So if you want to see the car, please drop over, check the Urban Cruiser. It's only available over here in all of Karnataka. So that's it from me, guys. I'll see you guys in another video with another car. And heartfelt thanks from me to Viva Toyota for inviting me here and letting me do this review. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do like, share, and subscribe. See you later. Bye-bye.